So now you see that I have cut the top off of this. I've left on that. This one you leave on. And I have cut there, and I cut the top of this one everywhere that I said. Now you're gonna start putting these together. Let me zoom in. And when you put them together, you want to make sure that these lines are perfect on all the sides. Now I'm holding my phone and trying to connect it. What I will do is I'll put a piece of tape right here. Let me just zoom out a little bit. I'll put a piece of tape right here and right here on the face. My hoodie is hitting the sheet. And then I'll flip it over and I'll take the whole back. And when you flip it over, the reason why we leave this one on is it gives you a piece to tape to right here where it doesn't interfere with the drawing. You do not, again, want to put tape on here, otherwise it's going to be hard to draw over, or you're going to completely block the lines. You can use whatever tape you have laying around, but it's going to be important that you you leave this area without tape so you're able to draw over it and make any marks that you need to. You're also going to do the same steps on this side, which I'm going to do right now. So you see I have now taped these two together, and if you look, you'll notice the lines match up and you can continue drawing. I put a piece of tape here and a piece of tape here. Then I flipped it over, and then I taped on this back seam, which is why we left that one on. This one, I put a piece of tape here, and because this side is a drawing side, what I did is I just kind of moved it over, and I just held it and put a piece of tape while holding it, and just taped it on the back gently. And then I flipped it over and taped the back side. And here you are. And you'll notice, again, you want to make sure that these lines are all good. The next step we're going to do, and I'm going to zoom out a little bit, is we're going to attach it together like this. And the same thing, you want these lines all lined up perfectly. You'll put a piece of tape here, and you'll put a piece of tape up here at the top. And same thing, flip it over, make sure it's nice and flat, and then tape on the back, which I'm going to do now. Now all the sheets are connected, and it's one big sheet. If you have OCD and you want to cut and trim all this out, all that outer border, you can. I'm not going to. It doesn't bother me, but if it bothers you, you can, but you don't have to. So that's completely up to you. Just be careful when you cut these seam areas. You may have to come back and put a little piece of tape or something, depending on how you tape. Same thing, any of your seam areas, you may have to tape. So the next step is going to be, I'm going to get the land out, and we're going to start. I'm going to get a ruler, and you're going to want a pencil, and we're going to start drawing in this bottom left corner first with our side view. You are to be drawing 4 views, so you're going to draw a side view, top view, roadbed view, and an end view. Now the end view we did not do on the rough sketches, simply because it's an extremely easy drawing and it doesn't show a whole lot of detail, but it is important because it does show the bracing in a couple areas, and it does allow you to see where the cars or the vehicles would be going through the bridge. So I'm going to get out all those materials. I'm going to end this video here, and I'm going to start a new one of the drawing. All right, hope you guys are having fun. Any questions, obviously reach out on Schoology, email, whatever you need to do. I'm here to support you guys. So hopefully everyone's doing well, enjoying a little homeschool, but I can't wait to see you guys in in person again. So I'm gonna shut off right here, and I'm gonna start doing the next video.